Can you change voice on Messenger call? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now, go ahead and make a call to someone where you want to change the voice call. Now, here if you tap on the three dots, you will see various options such as audio output or microphone mode. However, you will not see the option for changing your Messenger voice call. So, unfortunately, if you were looking to directly change your voice call on Messenger, then Messenger itself does not have a built-in voice changer feature as of today. However, if Messenger updates some inbuilt feature as voice changer, then we will update you as soon as Messenger updates the feature. So stay connected with us. However, if you are looking forward to change your voice call any way possible, then you can use any other external tools, but Messenger itself does not support live voice changing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.